for its ASEAN membership, and to reiterate that we, Switzerland, as a sectoral dialogue partner, will support Timor-Leste in its ASEAN membership. We will develop a program. I also wanted to hear about the challenges your country is facing, employment, diversification of economy, and say that we will be in standing solidarity with Timor-Leste, and that we are, of course, looking at how we can involve our private sector in making the private, the Timor-Leste private sector more competitive. And we also spoke, we spoke about nation building, the challenges of nation building, and I really underline how impressed Switzerland is at the progress your country has achieved over the last 24 years. Thank you very much.
So in the future, what do you support Timor-Leste?
In which area we are supporting? Well, for the ASEAN area, we have to discuss with Timor-Leste what we want to do. Timor-Leste, as you say, but for the time being, we can talk about disaster risk management. These are the areas where we collaborate within ASEAN. The other areas where we are working as a government is education and women's rights. This is where we have been working till now. We have to look at other areas, but I think now would be also appropriate to see how we can bring in our private sector to be more active. We have some Swiss company, a company based in Switzerland, who manages Tibardet, MSC. We also have a Swiss company now who is looking at ways to connect the gas fields to the land. So these are important actors, the private sector.
So what is the opinion of the Prime Minister for the recent?
No, I think it's he welcomed this presence, and what we need to do is work more on it. I think the reaction was very positive, and he said I had to also speak about this to the Ministry of Petroleum. But just also to say, yesterday I met your president. I also passed the same messages of solidarity, and also some form of recognition of what they have achieved over the years, and wishing them all the best of luck in the coming years. We're very confident in the future of Timor-Leste. Thank you very much.
Bom dia, senhorita.
Bom dia.